Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful town named Harmonyville, lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to explore the river that ran through his town. One sunny day, while fishing near the riverbank, he noticed something unusual. In the water, a big, beautiful blue fish swam towards him. It was a bass. Timmy had never seen a bass so big before. He was curious and excited to meet the big blue bass. "Hello, big blue fish," Timmy called out. The bass stopped swimming and looked at Timmy. Timmy wondered if the bass could understand him. He decided to try talking to it anyway. "Are you lost?" Timmy asked the bass. The bass didn't answer, but it seemed to nod its head. Timmy felt a little sad for the lost fish. He decided to help it find its way home. Together, Timmy and the big blue bass swam upstream. Timmy asked the bass about its life in the river, and the bass told him stories about the adventures it had. Timmy was amazed. As they swam, Timmy learned many things from the big blue bass. He learned about the importance of friendship, helping others, and the wonders of the river. He felt like he was gaining a new friend. Suddenly, they arrived at a waterfall. The big blue bass swam up the waterfall and disappeared. Timmy looked up and saw a beautiful, vast lake on the other side. He realized that the big blue bass was actually from the lake, not the river. Timmy was a little sad, but he was also happy that he had helped the big blue bass find its way home. He promised to visit the lake someday and meet the big blue bass again. From that day forward, Timmy loved the river even more. He learned that everything in nature has a purpose, and sometimes, the most unexpected things can lead to the most amazing adventures. So, whenever Timmy felt lonely or bored, he would remember his adventure with the big blue bass and smile. He knew that there were many more adventures waiting for him out there, just like the one with the big blue bass. And as the sun set over the river, Timmy would dream of his next adventure, wondering what other wonders he might find in the world of nature. The end.